KICKASSETS. Ching.
Okay, so now we're on, is this Fraser Street? No, this is Kingsway. Kingsway? Kingsway? Isn't, what the? Huh?
Main is back there.
Oh, Fraser Street's up there. That's, yeah. It's been, I forgot how long big these streets were to cross. Holy shit. Streets aren't big like this in Japan, they're small. Hey, we got some Hime sushi. Hey. Wow, here we are, Kingsgate Mall, Mount Pleasant. Wow. This place is still here. Can you believe it? You used to bring me here for that little chicken game. Do you remember that? And bring out the egg.
Yeah.
This was the mall that was at. I remember that. I'd ask you if you're one of those plastic piece of shit eggs. What a waste of money that was. Junk. And you also brought me to the steak place here. Mike, what's it called?
Mike's Steakhouse.
Mike's Steakhouse or something like that. I remember that. Holy
Good.
shit.
I wish it was still around.
Oh, they're gone?
There might be one. I think it's one around, maybe in Mission.
Oh, wow.
This is like the all over place. They're cheap. Reasonable. You can sit down and get a nice bottle of beer or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
The meals were, very reasonable.
Wow. All right, let's see what's in here. Can't believe this mall is still here. I don't even remember what was here before, to be honest. I remember there was maybe an Orange Julius here and a Mike's Steakhouse and that chicken machine. Wow. Yeah, you gonna pay? It's probably $5. Cell phone companies. Scratch your wins. Everybody trying to win the lottery. Lotto tickets. Wow. It's been a long time.
Another ticket.
Oh, okay. There's all cell phone companies in here. The steakhouse was over here somewhere, I remember. If my memory serves me correctly. Or was it here? It's somewhere along here. The chicken machine was around here too, I think. Well, mall's as big as I remember it being. All right, let me see what the costs in here are. Well, my dad said, "Wait, how much?" Yeah, yeah. Pair of jeans. Holy crap! No kidding, it's $100 for a pair of jeans. Yeah.
I got these
Yeah.
in my closet.
Yeah.
Costco, $20.
When?
$25 a pair.
Jeez, I could buy like let's do an example. I could buy like a pair of 3 socks like this for maybe $5 in Japan. How much are they gonna cost here? Some basic socks, 3 pairs. What are we looking at here, folks, for a price? 18 bucks. That's $6 a pair. Holy crap.
Used to be cheap color in here.
Okay, these must be cheap. These must be cheap. Come on. 13 bucks. Yeah, everything's double, triple Japan. Wow. How about shoes? What we got for shoes? Jeez, man. What's the cheapest pair they got here? Nothing's cheap here. Okay. Wow, like when I could buy a pair of shoes in Japan for like 10, 20, 30 bucks at the most for okay pairs of shoes. Not brand names, but okay brand names. That's ridiculous. Holy crap. Huh. These are the shoes my dad just told me to wear. And they are, holy crap. Wow. My dad just gave me these in his closet. Jeez. What the fuck? Work boots, I guess. They're expensive, but... Well, how about underwear? Wow, one pair of underwear.
I used to get them in here, a pair of 6, for about 12 bucks.
Yeah.
Another, triple.
I usually get them for $2 a pair in Japan. $3 depending on the brand. Well, these are 42 bucks for 3 pairs of underwear. And here I am throwing away my clothes.
10 years ago it wasn't like that.
Jeez, they are milking.
Day one.
They milk people.
I used to buy a lot of stuff here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, forget it.
Holy shit. Underwear, anyone? Okay. One pair of underwear. 22 bucks. Wow. Well, here's what we got. What's that?
$17 a week.
What does that mean? You rent it?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so here we are in Canada, or Canada, Vancouver. This is an e-bike. Yeah, it's reasonably priced. $100 off. Fatty tires. This is for you, Steve. It actually has a throttle. They say the limit here is 32. Not 24 like Japan. That's really nice. So that one has a throttle on it.
What?
A throttle. Like, it's a pedal assist plus a throttle. Means that you can just throttle and it'll move for you. So it's very nice. It's legal here. In Japan it's illegal to have that. In Japan you can only have the pedal assist where it helps you pedal. Makes the hills easier. But this one actually goes for you. So it's very different. So I recommend if you want to travel around the city, you get one of these kind of bikes. It's fun. It's peaceful. Well, you just ignore that. Have you done it before? I said that. I tried it once. After I did it one time, I was addicted.
I could take the remainder 10 grand and go play Keno.
Yeah, just $3,000. These are actually pretty cheap. Pretty cheap prices. Well, not cheap, but they're reasonable. Totally recommend it. Why don't you listen to your son for once? Jeez, that's so stubborn. You do realize I'm smarter than you. God. This is the only one. Don't buy that one.
You say put you in there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
With the grinding thing.
Yeah. I'm gonna put you in there in a few years. We're taking you up to the. Kick me up in my coffee. Gotta read my paper. Hurry up.
Let's go.
Why? Relax. Oh, I like this place.